Good morning everyone, this is Vaishnavi from Technical Desk. We'll update you on the Nifty as well as USD technical outlook. In previous trading session, Nifty opened with an upward gap and traded with positive bias in the initial half. However, profit booking in second half erased most of the earlier gains which led index to close in near day's low. It has closed around 85.92 with loss of 58 points. On the daily chart, index has formed a sizable bearish candle and has closed below previous session's low, indicating negative bias. Index continued to move in a broad trading range from 8720 to 8500 levels, representing short-term sideways trend. From current levels, the chart pattern indicates that if Nifty trade and sustains above 8630 levels, then it may witness further intraday strength towards 8660 and 8680 levels. From current levels, 8580 will act as a crucial support zone. However, any violation of this support zone will cause some profit booking towards 8550 and 8520 levels. Nifty is trading below its 20-day simple moving average, which indicates negative bias in short term. However, in medium term, as Nifty continue to remain in bullish trend and it is continue to form higher top higher bottom formation on the longer charts, it remains a buying opportunity for traders. On the indicator front, the daily strength indicator RSI as well as momentum indicator stochastic both are in negative territory, indicating selling may arise on pullback rally. Some positive bias stock for the day are Just Dial, Indiabulls Housing Finance, GAIL, Cadila Healthcare and CSC. Whereas some negative bias stock for the day are VEDL, Hexaware, Adani Port and HDFC Limited. Moving to the USD technical outlook, in previous trading session, USD opened with a downward gap and traded with negative bias throughout this session. It has closed around 67.05 with loss of 0.16%. On the daily chart, USD has formed a sizable bearish candle and it has also formed a lower high-low formation and has closed below previous session's low, indicating negative bias. Currently, USD is sustaining below its 20 as well as 50-day simple moving average, which supports bearish sentiment in short term as well as in medium term. For the day, we expect USD to trade with negative bias, and if it sustains below 67 levels, then it may witness further selling pressure towards 66.90 to 66.80 levels. On the higher end, 67.12 will act as a crucial intraday resistance zone. On the indicator front, the daily strength indicator RSI as well as momentum indicator stochastic both are in negative territory, indicating further weakness. Thank you.